So now we are up here. Just wanted to show you the old pin. It's kind of wore out, or they intentionally had a smaller pin in there than what was supposed to be. That I don't know. So yeah, so we're gonna put the bigger pin in there. It's a little bit thicker. Actually, no, it's the same size. I lied. I thought it was a little bit bigger. Well, maybe it is bigger. Okay, it's a little bit bigger right here. It's a little bit thicker. The threads are smaller than up here. So, yeah. So, that's what we're going to do. I think how I'm going to do this is I'm going to take this punch this through, right? So this doesn't fall off. The dogs are down, so I don't know if it'll fall off. But yeah, I'm gonna punch that through, and then I'll punch this through this way. That's my plan. We'll see how it works, guys. Kind of just shot out. Okay. Now I got this. It's like a little pry bar thing to lift it up. The reason I'm threading it and not pounding it is because I don't want to gum up the threads. There we go, guys. Oh, look how easy that was getting it on there. If I would have pounded that thing through, there's no way. Okay, now I got my little pin that goes through there, and then this goes through there. Ta-da! Tailgate. Pound that like button, guys. Tell me what you think. I need to grind this off so it doesn't ruin my tarp, because eventually the tarp will flap on that and snag that thing and just tear it to pieces. Yep, so that's my new pin. I'm pretty happy with it. I thought it was gonna be thicker than the one that came out of there, but apparently not. I may end up cutting this off. I don't know. We'll see, guys. I wanted to kind of show you guys what I was looking at, and this is the reason why I redid these pins. The Snap-on Junkie, he did a video on his, but his tailgate actually fell into the asphalt thing or whatever. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, but the reason I'm redoing these is because you can see right here, See this little line right here? That means what's happening is this washer that was welded on there is starting to pull off of the pin, right? You can see where it's already broken loose. So instead of waiting until it falls into the loader, or you know, falls into whatever, or falls off while I'm driving down the road, I'm just gonna fix it right now. You know, and I want to thank the Snap-on Junkie, because if he wouldn't have done that video, there's no way I would have noticed that. See, you can see this one in particular is starting to crack, right? That's something that I never would have looked for, because I'm a noob, right? I don't know anything about this stuff. So I'm thankful for him doing that video, because you know, it's something that I wouldn't have even thought of. So yep, pound that like button, guys. Go check out his channel too, and I'll talk to you guys later. I like to save these kind of things, because you never know when you're gonna need one. This one's kind of wore out along this whole side, but still pretty thick, so I like to keep those kind of things. That's one thing I got from my grandpa. Yeah, this one was definitely worse than the other one. You can see it's actually cracked right there, you know. I don't know if you can see in the video or not, but it's actually cracked. This one's cracked too, but they painted over it so it's harder to tell. But you can tell it's actually cracking right around where they welded the pin. So the thing is I got these heavy duty bolts right here, and I put the washers on. You guys seen how I did it. I'm just going to explain to you real quick though. I put a washer on, welded it, then put another washer on, and then tacked it to the other washer, right? And what that's going to do is it's going to give me a lot more strength than just welding a washer onto something like this. That gives you no strength at all. So whoever designed those, they should probably be shot. Yeah, maybe not shot, but you know, you get what I'm saying. Leave this in there. Okay. This tool is indispensable in this job, because you put it underneath that and then lift it up. Look at that. See how easy that was? Because it's got the leverage. So yep, ain't this fun. I actually enjoy working on my truck. That's one of the reasons why I decided I wanted to be an owner-operator, because I love working on things. I love doing things my way, not other people's ways. A lot of people, you know, they think they know the right way, and I'm this way too. I think I know the perfect way, and there's more than one way to do things, but a lot of times, not gonna lie, I like my way of doing things. And that's one of the reasons why I've decided that I need to run my own business, is because I like to do things myself. I like to do things my way, you know. And yeah, I work pretty okay with most people, you know, and a job, but I have more fun when I'm my own boss, when I'm the boss. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it really, except for saying it like that. I just enjoy doing this kind of stuff. You guys probably, well, most of you guys probably enjoy stuff like this too. That's why you watch my videos, but you know. There, check those out. So now you tell me, you guys comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think would last longer. You tell me what's going to last longer in the long run. Now, I may have over-engineered it just a tad, but you tell me which one's going to last longer. This or this little wimpy thing. It's already cracking right there. And then, also, the other one of these pins is half as thick. It's almost wore through to where that is. So that one's garbage, but this one, it's still functional, but you can tell it's wore that thing out, and it's bent. I don't know if you guys can tell from the video, but it is bent. It's been getting pounded, you know. And there's a lot of stresses put on these dump trucks, you know. So, yep, that pin should last way, way longer, you know. Well, pound that like button, pound the subscribe button, comment and share this on your social media site of preference, and I will catch you foos later.